Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 9th, 2023. Can you all believe the Nio stock hype? Like, for real. Everyone continues to talk about Nio. Nio is going to be the next Tesla for China. Nio is going to be a formidable player in the EV space. I get it. I understand. They want to give you all the bells and the whistles. But when you look at the chart for Nio stock, you're not getting the bells and whistles. You're actually seeing the opposite into the market in Nio. Now, question. We pay attention to the chart. Do you? Because recently we've seen something occur on the chart that would tell us otherwise as to why we shouldn't believe the Nio stock hype. Can you see it? There's something on the chart that will let us know that price is not as strong as what other people would say it is. Look at this. We've created a downtrend line, right? And as we've seen Nio's price come up to this downtrend, what occurs? What happens? Price goes down. Yes, that is why when I did my last video for Nio, which was on March 30th, I was looking for the price to run up to this downtrend line, get rejected, and go lower. So I'm not surprised to see this currently on the chart. Nio trading around $9 and a penny. I'm not surprised. I told you all on this particular day, March 30th, to be prepared for that to happen. That is why ultimate area TP was around $11. Now, I told you that we would have to take the profit in the market in Nio right there around this downtrend line, which occurred on the same day. It happened on March the 30th. Market held itself on the 31st. So it's still another day for you to come through and grab at least 6%, 7% off the market, because now you're underwater 8.44%. Let's talk about the market really for real in Nio, because I don't think a lot of people is going to like what I'm going to say. But hey, it is what it is. We pay attention to the price and we relinquish. We show you what the chart is showing so that you guys don't have to be all emotional and wound up. So I'm going to show you, okay, on the weekly chart first, Nio stock and how weak the market is. I don't believe what people say. I believe what they do. And when you look at the chart, it is showing us what everyone is doing, right? So let me give you a situation right here on this weekly price bar here in Nio, right? Take a look. The market was telling us that it was bullish, right? The week of March 27, 2023. Our expectation following March 27th, the week of, would be for us to still see the bullishness, would be for us to see the price continue to go up, right? So here it is. The following week, price went back down. So obviously, this prior week wasn't real. It fooled people into thinking that price was going to continue to go up. Because if it truly was strong, if Nio stock truly was being hyped, price wouldn't be down this last current weekly price bar. It wouldn't. But it is. Take a look at the 2 weeks. Again, charts don't lie. If Nio stock truly was strong and people truly was buying this stock, we would not be seeing it close down here on this 2 weekly price bar on the low. It would not be here, period. But we're seeing it. So this stock currently, in its current form, is weak. Don't let people fool you. Always believe the chart. See with the chart. So now, I'm not looking for Nio to go higher right now. Off of what we've seen on the weekly chart, even on the 2 weeks. So we need to be prepared for some more weakness. Now, check this out though. Just like we can tell when people aren't buying, we could also tell when they will begin to buy. Okay, so check this out. You guys can see the low of this monthly price bar in October, right? And then you guys can see the low in March. That is one location that we could possibly see buyers enter again into the market in Nio, right? You can see it. So this is the first area that we're going to look for Nio to run towards in weakness. Now, overall, when you see this on the chart, we're not actually massively bullish. Don't believe the hype. I think we have a little bit lower to go in the market in Nio. So we're going to be prepared for that. Look at this on the 5-day chart again. Weakness is there. 3-day, 2-day. Now, this is another area that I can see already of buyers here in the market. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for price in Nio to go lower. We're going to cut that prior area of support out the market in Nio, because definitely from the weekly and the 2-weekly chart, I'm not looking for the market to hold that. And we're going to extend the downtrend. Okay. Now, first idea is for Nio to come down here towards $8. Is it around 8? Yeah, in and around $8. Okay, so let me hit this back on the daily. And for us to see the market in Nio to go down there towards 8. Is a 12% move to the downside. 12%. Okay. So that is our first target in the market in Nio. Well, let me do another one. So my first target is going to be here. $8.35. That's my first target. Okay. That's 7% move to the downside. Second target is going to be in or around 8. That is around 11.69%. $7.93, $8 give or take. That's only 2 targets I'm going to put on the chart. And as long as Nio's price again gets rejected on this downtrend line, we already know what to expect. So right now, we're just going to show you 2 targets. Rewind it back just a little bit further so you guys can get those targets. And this is where we at right now. All right, so I am done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.